Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today is the long-awaited new wheels day for the BMW F10 M5. And as you can see behind me, ignore the basement mess. My basement's a mess, okay? I got storage in here. But right there is the color giveaway. Charlie, what do you think? What do you think, Charlie? You like the color? Yeah? Well, there's the color, guys. What kind of finish do you think it is? What kind of look of the wheels? What kind of spokes? If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I gave a sneak peek of what they look like already. So without further ado, the big reveal of the Alibaba wheels. Yes, I got these from Alibaba. And why, you might ask? Because I'm sick and tired of paying thousands of dollars for wheels and the company profits 80% of that. I bought Vossen wheels secondhand, forged Vossen wheels that the original owner paid 10 grand for. I paid 4 grand for those. Was back then was still absurd amount of money. They weren't easy to balance out. Fit and finish was as good as these look. So you guys be the judge if you want to spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on wheels, when in reality, all of them are fucking made in China. So you guys be the judge. But without further ado, let me show you the look that I chose. All right, you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the little reveal? Oh, are you guys ready? Do you see that brush finish? Do you see that brush finish, guys? Ready? Whoa, how many spokes is there? Oh, spokes. Boom. Have a look. Have a look, guys. Boys and girls, children of all ages. What 1,500 bucks shipped gets you, okay? Forged 20-inch wheels, 1,500 shipped to my door. And it only took 14 days since they shipped to get to my house. 2 weeks for production. Insanely fast. But have a look. Let me guys bring you in. You guys be the judge if you think this is good quality or not. But this looks just as good, if not better, than my Vossens. Like, there's no comparison. It's perfectly machined. There's no rough edges. I did go ahead and already ceramic coat them because the wheels are getting thrown on in the next couple days. Just like, look at it, guys. Look at the beauty. So this is the back wheel. The specs are in the back. I'm not gatekeeping. It's a 32 offset, 5x120, forged T6061 aluminum, or whatever the hell they use to forge these blanks. It is going to look sick. Look at the concavity of this wheel. Just look how much it concaves. Right? And this is the back wheel. Let me get a front wheel right here. For those that are interested, front wheel specs are 22 offset, also super concave. Look at that. I personally love the indentations and the cutouts in the wheels here. Just that finish. In bright light, it almost looks like a very light brushed aluminum, like in this lighting. But in person, it's more gunmetal, so it has like a chameleon effect. But let me give you the specs here. So the front wheels are 20 by 9.5, 22 offset, so it's half an inch wider. The rear are 20 by 11, 32 offset. I didn't go aggressive offsets. I'm not trying to run stupid negative camber or anything like that. You know, I'm not trying to ruin my tires. On the back, We will be running a 305 30 or 20. We're going to reuse the front stock tires, get it mounted and balanced, throw them on the car. I have a clip test video of me just putting them on the car to see how that looks. I'll attach that right here. I got a little sneak peek of the Fitment. I mean, I can't jack it up higher than this, but yeah, I mean, that Fitment looks pretty damn good. Not gonna poke too much or anything. It's a 32 offset. We're gonna be running like 1.5 degree of camber, not too much. And then from there on, we'll get these installed on the tires installed, mounted on the car, and then we'll see the finished product. But one thing that I am curious about is the weight. So I got a little scale here. Let's try the makeshift, see how much these weigh. All right, so as you can see, we got our scale here. We're gonna lift these up and see what they weigh. All right, 25.6 pounds is what I got. We'll do it a couple times to make sure it's an accurate read. 26. 26.2. 26. 26.2. So we'll go with 26 pounds for the rear wheel, which is 11 inches wide. And then let us get a front wheel here so we can compare. $26.2. Is this a rear wheel? No, that's the front. 22, yeah, that's a front wheel. $26. $26.2. 26. 26.2. What the hell? How's the back? How's the front wheel that's smaller way less? Or am I tripping? Ah, I'm a dumbass. I was measuring both the front wheels. So those two are the two front wheels. So they're within perfectly weight distribution of each other. 26, 26.2. They both were reading more or less that. This is the rear wheel. All right, let's see. This should be heavier. I'm gonna say 29 pounds. Ready? 28. 28.2. 28.2. 28. So basically 2-pound difference, 26 to 28. I'm very happy that they're very close within specs. I'm gonna take the one that you guys are sitting on right now and measure that off camera and let you know what that is. So the last one measured at 27.8, 28. So let's just call it 28. So they're all more or less within ounces of each other. So very pleased, guys. Comment below how you think they're gonna look on the car, and we'll see you when they're mounted.